welcome back to my channel. Okay, I know, still alive. So it has been a really long time I haven't uploaded and it has been like 8 months. I know, that's long. So let's just say there was a lot of things happening and I had to take a break from something. It just happened to be YouTube. Sorry about that. So I'm not going to bore you with an entire backstory. Let's just say I'm back and I'm back for good. So anyways, on to the video. So Halloween is around the corner, and what's Halloween without some Halloween decorations, right? So today I'm here with some DIY Halloween decorations and I'm focusing more on the cute scary, not the scary scary. Today I'm going to show you some DIY Halloween decorations. So without any further ado, let's get started. To make the DIY candy corn door hanger, you're going to need a piece of cardboard, some yarn, scissors, pencil eraser and a glue gun, of course. And I'm going to start by drawing on the piece of cardboard a giant candy corn, I guess. And then I'm just going to cut it out. So what I've done here is I've just cut a small piece of yarn and I've made a small knot on it, and I'm just gluing it down to the cardboard, and this is going to be the piece that our door hanger is actually going to be hanging from. Now by using the glue gun, I'm making a straight line and I'm just gonna kind of attach the string on it, and I'm using basic candy corn colors, of course, because it's a candy corn door hanger. And this has to be a really good amount of glue on this part, because this is going to hold our entire piece together. And then I'm just kind of gonna start wrapping it around. And by the way, let me just tell you, every time I touched that glue, my finger was burning. Yes, every single time. Imagine that happening. And I'm adding dots of glues here and there to make it a lot more stronger. And another tip or hack you can say is add glue on the edges so it gets a better grip. Honestly guys, it actually helps. Once you're done with one color, just cut the piece and add a good amount of glue to hold it in place, and then start with another color. For me, the next color is yellow. It can be anything for you, I don't know. So as you guys can see, I'm almost done with my last color. So just when you're at this point, just add a good amount of glue and cut it out. And we're done! Now on to the bow banner. Yes, I named it bow banner because it rhymed and I liked it. That's it. So on a piece of black fabric, I'm drawing a banner shape, and using the glue gun, I'm gonna kind of outline it, if that makes sense. I'm gonna fold it like this and cut the extra fabric off. And I'm kind of gonna do this all around, like I'm kind of just drawing the banner shape again using the glue gun and then folding the edges so it kind of gets the shape. So as you guys can see, it has started to take shape of like a banner, and I'm gonna cut the extra fabric off. Now set that aside, and on a piece of white fabric, I'm gonna write the letter boo on it and cut it out. Now using the glue gun, I'm just gonna glue them in their place. So now that I'm happy with how it looks, I'm using a curtain rod. As you guys can see, now you don't have to find a curtain rod, you can just use a wooden dowel. And using the glue gun, I'm just making a place for the curtain rod to slide through. I don't know, it's hard to explain. Anyways, just see. So now I'm using some black yarn, I'm gonna cut it and I'm kind of just gonna tie it on both the sides like this so we can hang our boo banner. I really like the word boo banner, I don't know, it's cute. Anyways, we're done.
Yeah.
To make the DIY mummy lantern, you're gonna need a jar and some gauze. Yes, it's like a band-aid kind of a thing. You can find it in the pharmacy. And then you can just start by tying a knot and just wrapping it around like this. Just like you're mummifying the jar. I think that's what it's called. I don't know. I think so. Once you're happy with how it looks, just use a glue gun or just any glue and just stick the end so it's nice and secure. Now I'm just adding 2 googly eyes to the mummy, I guess. Lantern mummy. Anyways, so the glue guns are not really good because I made them. You can just buy some and we're done. Oh, by the way, I forgot. We have to add a candle. So that's how it's a lantern. I don't know. I don't know what am I saying. So anyways, we're done. To make the glowing cat-eyed fairy light, so I have just kind of cut out a few pieces of black cardstock in the shape of cat heads. Now this video is a little weird because I have lost a lot of footage from this video. I don't know, I just don't have. Please deal with it, guys. Guys? What am I saying? So I'm just making 2 holes in the eyes. No, not in the eyes. I'm just making 2 holes for the eyes. So I can just slide through the fairy lights, through them. Anyways, so we're done. I just say we're done a lot, right? I don't know, I need to find a better word. Okay, guys. That was it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And this time for sure, see you next week. Bye guys!